Don't worry guys, it's just me. Welcome to Woodness Goodness. Let's get after it. You never know when you're gonna find a snake. And trust me, there's snakes.
There's snakes. There's snakes.
There's snakes around here. And no, I'm not scared of them. You kidding me? Grown man. We got the Mr. Cool pumping out some sweet heat right now. And I'm just having my morning coffee. And we are about to embark on a journey together. This journey should be fairly straightforward. But as you know, we tend to deviate from the easiest path and choose the struggle. And the struggle is always very real. There's a lot of windows here, so I've got a lot of window trim. I bought maybe 3 to 4 extra boards because obviously, actually now that I'm looking at these 6 hopper windows, I realized I didn't even consider them. So we're gonna have to go get more anyhow. But I bought myself enough wood to do the whole window wall and these 2 big windows behind me. And all you beautiful subscribers and commenters reminded me of the easier approach, which is to whitewash these before I put them in. Originally, I was going to use white, like primed white trim for all the windows and stuff. But looking at the ceiling, which looks great, 100% looks great in here, but that it is very much a white versus this kind of blonde whitewash pine, and the pine looks excellent. I do not want to change the pine. So because the windows are so beautiful, I don't think they need like a very vibrant trim to make them pop. I don't want them to be stained the color of the beams because it'll just start to look a little bit too dark in here in my opinion. So that said, we're gonna whitewash all this pine and prep it for the window trim. And then we're gonna trim these out. And it's gonna be incredible. So, without further ado, let's start whitewashing. 4 boards left. And no, I'm not giving up. I bought 30 boards and I did the math with 8-foot pieces. With 8-foot pieces, I would need 24 1x6s to trim out all the windows except for the hopper windows. If I purchased 12-foot pieces of 1x6, I would only need 15 pieces plus one 8-foot piece. I went with the 8-foot route because I stuffed all these boards into my Volvo wagon. Like this video if you've used and possibly abused your vehicle putting lumber inside of it. Okay, that's pretty good. Whoa, it's pretty much square. So far, so good. Cool. Beans. The beans are cool, people. Wow. That looks so cool. Sometimes you just gotta let out a call of excitement. You know, there's a reason why wolves call it the moon, okay? It's not just because Halloween is upon us and a full moon. I mean, yeah, it brings out the crazies, but ultimately, a wolf is proud. A wolf is proud to be fearlessly walking through the night, and the only thing lighting its path is a moon. I don't know about you, but there's days where it feels like it's so dark, emotionally, physically even outside as we start to lose daylight, that sometimes it feels like all we have is the moon. Sometimes we don't even have the moon guiding our path. And it can be scary. It can be darn right depressing.
But ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I urge you to be the wolf. To look up in the sky, take a good hard look at that moon. Take a good hard look at your heart, your soul, and your mind. And decide, am I gonna just wither away, put my tail between my legs and go back inside my house or inside my wolf cave? No. I'm gonna stare up at that moon. Even though it's a little bit of light, it's light enough to be proud to be a wolf.
I really thought I was gonna end that on a crescendo. Whatever challenge faces you, be proud to be pursuing it, be proud and be confident that you can overcome whatever is in your path and whatever hurdle you have to jump over. Be the wolf, baby. Be the lone wolf. All right, well, now that you guys are absolutely fired up on Mountain Brew, let us stain or whitewash this trim. I went out and I did another load, got some more I got some 1x4, which will do the, the flat trim around our windows. And I got just a couple bits of thicker stuff to go in between the thicker beam areas. So we're gonna whitewash these and prep them and then nail them up, baby. Let's go. The only reason I'm cutting on this thing is because it's pouring rain out and my saw is in the shop. guys like that sound? Okay, last piece for the big windows.